Good morning, guys. So, I'm going to do a quick Google Classroom tour because everybody seems to be getting confused and I want to make it easier for everybody. So, we're going to open Google Classroom and I guess we'll just open period 1. That's fine. Everybody's is going to look the same, okay? You're going to see in the stream your agenda, okay? Every day I'm going to post the agenda. This way you know what is expected of you of that day. So you'll click it, open, okay? It'll bring you here. This is going to be your agenda. It's going to say what you need to do for the day. This last bullet, complete the exit ticket as your attendance, that is going to be there every day. You need to do it, otherwise you will be marked absent for the day, okay? So let's go back to the classroom. So in the agenda, it says go to classwork tab in classroom. Okay, so that's going to be up here, up at the top. Click classwork. It's going to be by week. So it will be labeled the day. This was Wednesday. I didn't label it Wednesday. I labeled it a chapter 6 lesson 3 test. But every other time I will label it as the day. That is my son screaming in the background. Okay, so let's click Thursday since today is Thursday, and this is your agenda for the day and your assignment, okay? Here's going to be your PDF with the reading. So if you click that, it's going to say chapter 7. That's okay. It is still ancient China, okay? You will have your guided reading, which is right here. Sorry, my child. Okay, so that's going to be right here. You will click it. It will open. And you can write on it. If the lines bother you, you can delete the lines, whatever makes you happy. You will then go back to classroom, okay? You have your daily classroom attendance Google form, which is right here. You'll enter today's date, which is a drop down, so it's very easy. Your name, which is also a drop down. Click on your actual name. Please don't click on someone else's. You'll see, have you seen today's post? Yes, no, not yet. Okay. And if you have any questions, you click yes. If it's a no, you're going to put an X here. Okay. So let's go back to here. Okay. If you actually click on this part, if you click on 17, well, won't say 17, but if you click on assigned, okay, your instructions will be here. And over here is what we see, okay? This is everybody's work that we have, okay? These students have turned it in. These students have just been assigned it and haven't opened it yet, okay? So when you click on your, I'm going to click on, so when you click on it, you're just gonna have to make sure you hit turn in. If you hit share with us, it's fine. It's going to still come to us. So by share, I mean over here, click share, type in Mrs. Fallon, Mrs. Lieber, Mrs. Tenero, whoever is your teacher. Click share with us, okay? Over here in classroom, if it says you're missing work, it may be because you haven't turned in the assignment, okay? But we are keeping track. We will email you or message you if you are missing something, so please just know that, okay? If you have any remaining questions after this video, please reach out to us and I will try to answer them the best that I can, okay? Have a great day, guys. Hopefully we see you soon, okay? Alrighty.